So today we're talking about the Clinq Labs Antifungal Pen and whether it's actually legit or just another overhyped product you see online. This is a topical antifungal pen that contains undeselenaic acid along with some botanical oils, and it's designed for precise application on nails and the surrounding skin. The idea is that with regular use, it can help improve nail clarity, texture, and overall appearance. Now, on the surface, this sounds like a convenient solution, especially if you're dealing with nail fungus and don't want messy creams or oral medications. The pen format makes it easy to apply directly where needed, and that's definitely a plus. But once you start looking deeper, there are a few things you should be aware of before deciding to buy it. One of the biggest concerns is the claim that it kills nail fungus at the root. That sounds great, but in reality, nail fungus is very difficult to treat because it lives deep inside the nail and nail bed. Even prescription treatments don't guarantee complete removal. So when a product claims something like this, it's usually oversimplified and can create unrealistic expectations. No over-the-counter topical product can promise a complete cure like that. Another thing to notice is the lack of transparency on the website. They only provide an email address for contact, but there's no phone number or physical business location listed. That's not always a deal breaker, but it does raise some concerns about how reliable the company is, especially if you run into issues with your order or need support. Now, here's something even more interesting. Products like this aren't exactly new. Recently, there were similar antifungal pens sold under different names, like Lunavia and Oravelli. What's surprising is that the product images for those look almost identical to this one, just with different branding. And when you look at reviews for those products, many users complained about issues like being charged multiple times, not being able to cancel orders, and not receiving refunds. Most of the complaints were about the company rather than the product itself, but it still raises a big red flag. So the big question is, do these types of antifungal pens actually work? The honest answer is yes, but only to a certain extent. They can help with mild to moderate nail fungus, especially when it comes to reducing yellowing and improving nail appearance. But they require consistent use over a long period, sometimes months, and they're definitely not a quick fix. They're also less effective for deeper or more severe infections. So, in conclusion, this product might not be a complete scam, but it definitely comes with some concerns. The claims seem exaggerated, the company transparency is limited, and there are similarities to other questionable products. So, if you're thinking about trying it, just be cautious, manage your expectations, and make sure you're not relying on it as a miracle solution.